Have you ever wondered why some digital products seem to intuitively understand your needs while others seem to miss the mark? What could possibly be the secret behind this? The answer may lie in the power of competitor analysis in the realm of UI/UX design. Competitor analysis, at its core, is the process of evaluating how your competitors solve the same problems you're tackling. It's like being a detective in the digital world, investigating how other products in your niche meet user expectations, identify best practices, and avoid common design pitfalls. Consider the fascinating case of Airbnb. When they first launched, their website was nothing extraordinary. But as they began to analyze their competitors, they noticed a common thread: high-quality photos of the accommodation. Airbnb took this cue and started offering professional photography services to their hosts. The result? A significant surge in bookings. This is the power of competitor analysis. Or take the example of Facebook. Ever wondered why the design of Facebook seems to evolve continuously? That's competitor analysis at work. Facebook is always on the lookout for successful features from other social media platforms, adapting and implementing them to enhance their own user experience. Not only does competitor analysis help designers understand user expectations, but it also provides valuable insights into the best practices in the industry. It's like standing on the shoulders of giants. You're leveraging the collective wisdom of the industry to design a product that truly resonates with the user. But it's not just about copying what others are doing. Competitor analysis also helps designers identify common pitfalls and mistakes. It's a proactive way to avoid problems before they occur, saving precious time and resources in the design process. Moreover, competitor analysis is a gateway to user-centered design. By understanding what works well for others, designers can create a product that truly caters to the user's needs. This can provide a significant competitive advantage, as a product that understands and meets user expectations is more likely to win their loyalty. To sum up, competitor analysis plays a crucial role in UI/UX design. It helps designers to understand user expectations, identify best practices, avoid common pitfalls, and gain a competitive advantage. It's a tool that every designer should have in their toolkit. So next time you're designing a digital product, don't forget to do your detective work. Analyze your competitors, understand what they're doing right, and learn from their mistakes. It's a surefire way to create a product that not only meets but exceeds user expectations. Remember, good artists copy, great artists steal. In the world of UI/UX design, stealing is not only allowed but encouraged. It's all about learning from others and using that knowledge to create something even better.